Hello viewers, welcome back to DS Lifestyle. In today's video, we will be talking about the snakehead fish and especially about the Channa Andrao. Channa Andrao is a very beautiful fish. It is a medium-sized type of snakehead with striking blue and little red coloration. It is also known as the Bengal blue snakehead fish, and in today's video, I will be telling you all about the care guide of this chana fish. And in this video, I will include the diet of the chana fish. I will teach you about the habitat, the water parameters, and everything which you need to know for keeping chana fish. So stay tuned till the end of video. Channa Andrao is a type of dwarf snakehead fish, and it is famous for its bluish coloration and its personality. It is a small snakehead fish, but still it is packed with a lot of personality. This fish is found in the Brahmaputra river basin. It is a slight aggressive fish. This fish is also having a special feature, which is it can also live in low oxygen environment. It can also grasp air from the top of the aquarium, from the top of the water level. This fish is packed with a lot of attitude and a lot of personality. So first we should talk about the tank size. So for a dwarf chana fish like the Channa Andrao, you should have a minimum tank size of 2.5 to 3 feet with a lot of hiding spaces, a lot of good plants in it, because chana requires a good planted tank and it also requires some good hiding spaces. It should also have a little dim kind of environment in it, and you should also remember that chana is an excellent jumper. It is fabulous in jumping, so you should have a tight lid on the top of the tank. Now let's talk about the water parameters of the tank. So you should try to mimic the natural environment in which the chana is to which the chana is native to. So you should have temperature around 28 degrees Celsius. A temperature between 24 to 28 degrees Celsius will work well. pH plays a main role in keeping the chana fish. So you should have the pH range between 6.5 to 7.5. You can add Indian almond leaves in it, the dried Indian almond leaves in the tank. So now the next topic is about the feeding. So most of the chana fish which you will get in the market are usually caught from the wild. So for feeding, you need to learn about the natural feeding way of the chana fish. Channa Andrao is a not the Channa Andrao. All the snakehead fish are natural carnivorous predators. So you need to give them live food like insects, small fishes, prawns, things like this. If the fish is caught from wild, you need to give them live fishes, and from that you can train them on the pellets and all. But training a chana fish on pellets is a real tough job. And if you want, then I can make one more video on how to train chana fish on pellets. But you should know that if you are getting a new chana fish, then you should give that fish live food. Before giving the live food, you need to make sure that it is from a parasite free environment. It should not carry any parasite, otherwise your chana can get that parasite and it will develop some health issues, some diseases. High protein diet is recommended for the chana fish. You can give it some high protein mealworms, or you can, if your fish is trained on pellets, then you have multiple options. You can, the best food which I would recommend is hikari carnivorous pellets if it is trained on the pellet. Otherwise you should give it mealworms and insects. You can also feed it dried prawns, and that will work. That will help your chana in developing that really good bluish coloration. So now the question comes, how many times you should feed your chana fish? So this depends on the age of your chana. If it is a juvenile, then you should feed it like once a day or once in 2 days. If it is adult, then you can also do like twice in a week. So now the topic is temperament of chana fish. So as you all know, chana fish is famous for its aggressive temperament, and it is a really aggressive fish. So I won't recommend much tank mates for your chana fish, but if you still want to have tank mates, then you can keep some grouping fishes which are non-territorial in nature, because your chana is already aggressive and very territorial. So the combination should be like a fish which is non-territorial in nature. But I would highly recommend to keep your chana alone in the tank for maximizing the true potential of your chana fish. So this was all about the chana fish. I have covered almost all the important main topics which you need to know before keeping the chana andrao. And still, if I have missed any point, then you can ask that in the comment section down below. And if the video proved to be useful for you, then I would request you to please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this.